The fifth one. The foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to a plane is that point. Find the equation of the plane. So foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin 0, 0, 0 to the plane is, foot of the perpendicular is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 minus 5. So these 2 points are given. We have to find the equation of the plane. So foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane, that is 4 minus 2 minus 5. So that point is this point is a point in the plane, and that is the foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane. So we want to find the equation of the plane. We know 2 points 0, 0, 0 and 4 minus 2 minus 5 on this line. So if you know any 2 points on a line, we can find the dias of this line. So we can name this OA. So we can find dias of OA. What is dias of OA? Dias of OA equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So 4 minus 0, 4. Minus 2 minus 0, minus 2. Minus 5 minus 0, minus 5. So dias of OA, the 4 minus 2 minus 5. And this 4 minus 2 minus 5 is a point in the plane. So if you know one point in the plane, and if you know dias of the normal to the plane, we can write the equation of the plane. Using the formula a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. So a means dias of OA, that is ABC. This is dias, ABC. So a into, that is 4 into x minus x1, given point 4, x minus 4, plus b, that is minus 2 into y minus y1, that is minus 2, plus c into, that is minus 5 into z minus z1, that is minus 5 equal to 0. That is the formula if you know one point in the plane and dias of normal to the plane. Dias of normal to the plane ABC, one point in the plane x1, y1, z1. Then we can write the equation of the plane. So that is the equation of the plane. Now we can simplify. Open the bracket and simplify and write in the form ax plus by plus cz equal to d. In that form simplify and write the equation. So this is the required equation of the plane. Now we will do the next one. Now, seventh one. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point 312 perpendicular to the plane. Find also point of intersection of line and plane. So, one plane. Given that, find the vector equation of line passing through 312 and perpendicular to the plane. So, that we have to find the equation of line passing through 312 and perpendicular to this plane. Suppose this plane is this one, r dot 2I minus j minus k equal to 4. This is the equation of the plane, and that line is perpendicular to this plane. So we can draw a line perpendicular to this plane. So that line passing through, this line passing through the point 312. So some point 312. So we want to find the equation of this line which is perpendicular to this plane and passing through 312. So we can name some line, this BA and this BB. Point B. So we want to find the equation of AB, line AB, vector equation of line AB. So we know point A and B is the foot of the perpendicular. Now find this plane, and equation of the plane is given. So using this equation of plane, see r dot vector n equal to d. That is the general form of equation of a plane. Vector r dot one vector equal to d. In that, this vector is a normal vector to the plane. It is a normal vector to the plane. And so we want to find the equation of AB, and this 2I minus j minus k, see this is some vector, we can draw one, this is the point A, B. So this suppose this 2I minus j minus k, that is a normal vector to the plane. So we can take this equation of this line, that is 2 minus, that vector be 2I minus j minus k, normal vector to the plane. So this vector 2I minus j minus k, this normal vector is parallel to AB. We want to find the equation of AB. We want to find the equation of a line passing through 312 and normal perpendicular to the plane. So we want to find equation of AB, and from the equation of plane we know normal vector to the plane. That is 2i minus j minus k. This vector is a normal vector to the plane. So suppose this normal, this will be some other normal, one perpendicular vector. So 2i minus j minus k is a normal vector to the plane. So we want to find equation of AB, line AB. If you want to find the equation of a line, if you know, we can use this form. Vector R equal to vector A plus lambda into vector B. This is the vector form of equation of a line. Standard form, general form. So in that, what is vector A? It is the position vector of a given point on the line. And what is vector B? Parallel vector. So here we know both. Here we know one point on the line, AB. We want to find equation of AB. We know one point on the line, and we know one parallel vector. So we can write the equation. So what is vector A? Position vector of the given point. Given point is 3, 1, 2. So what is vector A? Vector A is 3i plus j plus 2k. And what is parallel vector? Vector B. Parallel vector is 2i, this vector. 2i minus j minus k. 2i minus j minus k. So we can write the equation of the line. That is for the equation of line AB. Find the vector equation of line. So vector R equal to vector A, that is 3i plus j plus 2k plus lambda into vector B, that is 2i minus j minus k. So we got the equation of line. So we got vector equation of line passing through 312 and perpendicular to the plane. So we got the first answer. Now we want to find also point of intersection of line and plane. So this is R equal to 3i plus j. This is the one answer. Vector equation of plane. 3i plus j plus 2k plus lambda into 2i minus j minus. So this is one answer. Then second answer. That is point of intersection. So that line, when we write the Cartesian form of that line, x minus 3 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by minus 1 equal to z minus 2 by minus 1. So actually this is the equation of line AB in the Cartesian form. Given point x1, y1, z1, 3, 1, 2. So x minus 3 by dr 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 1. So this is the Cartesian form. Vector form we wrote earlier. Then this is the Cartesian form of equation of AB. Now what we want to find? We want to find the point of intersection of line and plane. This is line, and what is the plane Cartesian form? See, we know vector R is xi plus yj plus zk. So xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i minus j minus k is 2x minus y minus z. So plane is 2x minus y minus z equal to 4. So this is the Cartesian form of plane. That is just to convert into Cartesian form. This is vector form, just to convert into Cartesian form. 2x minus y minus z equal to 4. 2x minus y minus. So this is Cartesian form of plane. This is Cartesian form of line. We want to find, this is very important, how to find the point of intersection of line and plane. So from the equation of line, we get a general point in the line. So we write is equal to lambda, and we write the general point in the this one. So only one more thing we want to find, point of intersection of line and plane. That is what we are going to find. So here, so we take a general point. From this line, we get a general point. So any point on AB is 2 lambda plus 3. 2 lambda plus 3 x coordinated. Y coordinate minus lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 1. Z coordinate minus lambda plus 2. So this is the general form of any point on line AB. So x equal to 2 lambda plus 3, y equal to minus lambda plus 1, z equal to minus lambda plus 2. This is the general point on line AB, and we want to find the point of intersection of line and plane. So this B is the point of intersection of AB and the plane. So if this point, we know when we find the point of intersection, that point lies in the plane. So we can substitute this point in the plane. So we get lambda. So it lies in the plane. It lies in the plane. Therefore, we can substitute in the plane. That is this plane. So 2 into 2 lambda plus 3 plus minus y minus minus of minus lambda plus 1 plus, sorry, minus z bracket minus lambda plus 2 equal to 4. So we got this point lies in the plane. Therefore 2 into, in the place of x we can substitute this. 2 into 2 lambda plus 3 minus y, that is minus lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 2, that is equal to 4. Solving that we can find lambda and we can substitute in this point. So that will be the point of intersection. So we get, so this is question number 8, let it be there. So simplify this. 4 lambda plus 6 plus lambda minus 1 plus lambda minus 2 equal to 4. 4 lambda plus 6 plus lambda minus 1 plus lambda minus 2 equal to 4. 6 lambda, 6 minus 3. Lambda equal to 1 by 6. Now substitute here, we get the point of intersection. So this is any point on AB is in this form, and if this point lies in the plane, we can substitute in the plane and we are getting lambda. Then when we substitute this lambda in this point, that will be the point of intersection of line and plane. So B is the point of intersection of line and plane. So we get the point B. So substitute here. Therefore, point of intersection equal to 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3, comma, minus of 1 by 6 plus 1, comma, minus 1 by 6 plus 2. So 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3, minus 1 by 6 plus 1, then minus 1 by 6 plus 2. Simplifying this, you will get the answer. Now just listen this. If the line is parallel to the plane, how we find the distance between them? That is, we will discuss in the next session.